If you're new into learning about technical stuff, and especially cordless tools in particular, here's the thing that's probably going to be confusing for you at some point. So let's just go ahead and clear it up right now. So this relates to drills, like a cordless drill. You've got a cordless drill, then you've got an impact drill, and then you have a hammer drill. And these are all distinctly different things used for different applications. So let's just clear that up. So first of all, you've got a drill, like a cordless drill. Drills holes, sink screws, things like that. It's a versatile tool, but there are more specific tools for specific applications. Like this is just the cordless screwdriver or cordless drill option from Milwaukee, but from the same lineup of tools is this impact drill. So it's kind of different because where a cordless drill will just apply steady pressure or torque as I go in here, an impact driver, when it experiences a torque load, will begin this like ratcheting, and it does. It literally impacts with the screw, and this would be useful for something like wood screws. You would see this tool, or maybe not this one because this would be small for the application. Maybe an impact driver larger like that might be used for building a wood deck. And if you have to sink hundreds, maybe thousands of screws, you would want to be using an impact driver. So what's a hammer drill? Is that the same thing? Like a hammer impact sounds really similar, right? It's not the same thing. So here's a perfect example, actually. So this is from the same lineup. It's the same size drill. One's got just the double battery in it. Here, let's even just visually fix that up for you. Okay, there we go. Same drill from the same lineup. This one is just the drill. This one is a hammer drill. And there's a couple of different ways that you'll be able to tell that, which we can talk about in a second, but what is a hammer drill? A hammer drill is for drilling masonry or concrete. It's the tool that you would use if you needed to drill a hole in a concrete sidewalk or a concrete deck, something like that. You would not use an impact driver for that application. It would be the wrong tool for the wrong job, and you would not be able to get the job done, even though the names of the tools sound vaguely familiar or vaguely similar. They are totally different. So how do you know you have a hammer drill versus a regular drill? Well, so on this part here, take a look. So we've got maybe you can see it or not, we've got a series of numbers, and then we have a drill bit, a picture of a drill bit. And so these numbers represent like a slipper clutch to aid with, the amount of torque I want to apply for any drilling application. But when you crank it all the way to drill bit there's no clutch applied to this. It will just give the full torque of the drill through to whatever I'm working on. But notably, on a hammer drill, I have the same setting. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. It's a drill bit. But in addition to the drill bit, I have one more setting. So here, I'll go back to the non-drill bit there for just a second. Let's see. Just for the purposes of illustration here. Okay, so I'm going to just lean on the drill. I'm on regular drill here. Regular drill noises. I go over to the hammer setting. Different noises. So that combined with a drill bit, which is specifically made for masonry applications, which has a hardened tip to it. And that hammer setting, well, I mean, I guess this cordless drill would have a hard time doing that. Notoriously, masonry drills and cordless tools, they don't normally go well together. Like you can usually get the job done. If I need to install a railing and I'm drilling 4 or 8 holes, sure, I might look at a cordless hammer drill, something like that. More often, you're going to look at a product-specific tool, something like this. Like that super large drill bit that I was holding there would be a pretty tall ask for a cordless drill, especially a Porter cable cordless drill at that. So that's the difference. You have a regular drill driver. You have impact drivers for application-specific things where you're going to be doing a lot of drilling of screws or driving of screws. And then you have a hammer drill, whether cordless or corded variety, for the purposes of drilling through concrete or masonry applications. I hope you found this information helpful. Remember, I'm technically Steve, and it would technically help you to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So I'll see you later.